Hi there, welcome to our channel. I'm so excited today to share with you a new product. STARESSO SP-200 Portable Espresso Maker. Just in case you're not aware of, STARESSO brand was founded by two coffee lovers from China and South Korea. Before I begin, I'd like to say thank you, 감사합니다, CC to STARESSO for providing us a free unit for our own in-house testing and review. Let's start with the unboxing. Scoop, brush, and two O-rings. User menu. This portable espresso maker comes in a case for you to carry around. Cleaning cloth with the word STARESSO. Press on it, turn, and it is open. So right now, let's remove all the parts. This will be the cup, stand, palm lid, the basket holder, and a coffee filter basket. The water chamber capacity is minimum 50 and maximum 80 ml. This filter basket can hold a max of 10 grams of coffee grounds and also suitable for Espresso capsule. So how you actually put it in the capsule? Let's put it this way and put it back to the basket holder. And then screw in, right? And also the filter basket is actually of size 37 mm, and this basket is pressurized. So what do you mean by pressurized? That means it's acid from 1-4, and the working pressure is actually 15 to 20 bars. So after you actually brew the coffee, it's easy to wash, easy to clean. So after you're done everything, all you have to do is to actually rinse under the tap. Or you can use a brush to brush off any loose coffee grounds. And all the parts are actually washable. That's it. Right now, we are showing you how to prepare espresso. Move the cup, the holder, the stand, coffee basket holder, in the basket. Remove the palm lid and the water chamber. So, okay, I've already prepared 10 grams of medium roasted coffee beans. Recommended water temperature is 90 to 95 degrees C, and the water mark that we recommend is 50 ml. And then the grind size is salt size, slightly coarser than for espresso. And And for tamping, you can either use the provided screw to tamp, or what we have hand is a plug, which is just nice for this 37mm filter basket. Okay, for the hot water, you can either preheat it or without preheating. The choice is yours. So right now, let me grind some beans, 10 grams. For the transferring of coffee grounds to this coffee basket, we actually make a closing funnel from a styrofoam cup. All you have to do is to cut the bottom, right, and then slot on the bottom. Cheap and good. The purpose of doing that is by using the dosing funnel is to make sure your table is clean and free from coffee grounds. Right? Next, put it back to the basket holder. Screw back in. Fill it up 50 ml mark. Prepare the palm leg. And then turn it upside down. And here we go. Press from the top. You have it. What do you think of espresso? Now, if you are not an espresso drinker, you can actually use milk. It's either hot milk, whereby you can put it in your microwave oven, or whole milk. So, for this demo, I'll be using whole milk, and I prefer foamy, just like cappuccino. You can get this is a cheap milk frother. Actually froth up the milk so it becomes foamy. And then pour your espresso in. There you have it, a cup of cappuccino. For this demo, I'm going to show you how to prepare espresso using capsules. Remember, espresso compatible capsules and off ingredient type. So put the capsules in this way. Okay. Screw in. And for this round, I'll be using ice cold water. Surprise, right? I'll prove it to you if it is possible. Cover the pump lid. Turn. And then here we go. Hi. For this last part of the video, I'm going to show you 3 things to take note. 1. You'll notice that there are actually 2 white O-rings provided in the package. This white O-rings is meant for the pump lid, which is over here. Second, how to actually remove the shower screen. Right. You can use a chopstick, the blunt end chopstick, and push it downwards. This will be the shower screen. And do take note, it's directional, meaning flat side is facing the top. Right. The last one to note, how to remove the filter from the basket. There is a brush provided. Use the sharp end point to actually poke from the bottom of the basket. Just remember, the one with the most raised edges is facing upwards.